Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Huvudspelare gaming chair from IKEA. For this build, you'll only need a Phillips screwdriver and an Allen key that IKEA provides you with. You can also use a drill and a Phillips bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first step is to grab this piece and 5 of these legs, then slide the legs on like this. Now grab 10 of the smallest screws and screw them in using the Allen key into these 10 holes. Next, grab 5 casters and push them straight in, not on an angle. Then grab the cylinder and put it in as shown. There's also a plastic cap on top of the cylinder. You can just take it off and throw it out. Next, grab the seat and the chair mechanism and put them into these orientations. Also grab 4 of these thicker screws. Now put the mechanism on like this and secure it to the seat using 4 screws. The screws will be going into these 4 holes. Next, find a place in your home where it's elevated like a kitchen table or an island, and position the seat like this. Then grab the backrest and 4 of these thicker screws. Now place the backrest onto the seat like this and secure it using the 4 screws. The 4 screws will be going into these 4 holes. Also make sure you don't screw them all the way in. Next, grab these parts that are related to the armrest and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 of these small screws. So for the left armrest, put the plastic piece on like this and secure it to the metal frame of the armrest with 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Then repeat the same step for the right armrest. Now bring in the top of the gaming chair and put it in this orientation. Also grab one long screw and position the left armrest like this. The long screw will be going into this hole. Again, make sure you don't screw the screw all the way in. Then grab these two small screws and secure them fully into these two holes. Now go back to the long screw and screw it all the way in. Next, flip the chair over and grab the other long screw. Then position the armrest like this and screw the screw into this hole. Again, don't screw it all the way in. Now grab two of the smaller screws and secure them fully into these two holes. Then go back to the long screw and screw it all the way in. Next, put the gaming chair in this orientation and secure these 4 screws all the way in. And then finally, attach the top of the chair onto the cylinder like this. You should now have a fully assembled Huvudspelare gaming chair from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.